How's it going, folks? This is Detroit Miracle coming back to you from the wild. Oh yeah, I find myself out here once again amongst the core outdoor natures. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm having a good time, folks. Oh look, a pleasant stream by a tree. I definitely like this. Anytime it's wetness of a stream and it's by a tree, you know, it embodies a particular type of nature. Okay. It certainly makes a statement. Yeah. Things are always all good out in the core of outdoor nature, but not at every single time, because things do happen. Oh yeah, folks, I like to see this. I think I'm gonna build me a nice barn fire. Yeah, look at all this. Looks like a good place to roast some marshmallows or vegetarian hot dogs. Yep, talking about a nice time, people. Very nice time, indeed. Oh, a change in scenery. What could this be? Oh yeah, that's right. It's a grass type of stream or a grass pond, mini pond that is. This would indicate that there's been a heavy rain recently around these parts. You hear? Okay, folks, I'd appreciate it if you would share this film, like this film, put comments on it, and please subscribe to my channel, Detroit Miracle. Peace out.